we started. We go to My Activities. We go down to CapEx Planning. Okay, and we're busy with opening balance adjustments. We've already stepped through motor vehicles. We're now going to take a look at end user devices and value-based acquisitions. So that works in the exact same way. So we'll go to value-based, which is a slightly different process. So I've selected that, my BPF. I'm going to now go ahead on my input form and double click to select cost center. I'm working on 0521. There we have it. I go ahead and I select my asset category. So I'm going to go ahead and say intangible assets, hit OK. It's an input form, so it now refreshes. Okay, super. So based on my report, let's take a look at what we're going to capture. So I'm going to go ahead and say we want software over 5 years. I'm going to go ahead and say 500,000. Say SAP project A. Okay, you can see our little validation has popped up. That means I should go and save and refresh. I'm going to go ahead and hit the save and refresh button. We're expecting this little pop-up confirmation. We go ahead and say yes. After which we should have a successful button. Confirmation pop-up. There we have it. We're happy with that. Go take a look at our report, and there we have it. Okay, that's the depreciation over 5 years. So I'm happy with that. I can go ahead and hit close. I go back to my business process flow. What I'd like to now do is just show you end user devices. I'm going to go ahead and double click to select cost center. I'm going to select asset category. Go for computer accessories. It's okay. Because it's an input form, it now refreshes automatically. Okay, there we have our different options. If I'm interested in seeing prices, we have the rand value over there in the second sheet that gets updated. I go ahead and put in some quantities, 5, 6, 8. You can put in comments if I like. Employee group 1. Copy that down. Oops. Paste that. Maybe change it to group 2. And do the same thing over there. Pop that in group 3. Okay. If I go up to the top, I see I've got the little validation to please save data. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save data. Little pop-up confirmation comes up. I go ahead and say yes. Okay, success. Very happy with that. If I take a look at the report, I can see the depreciation that I've got planned based on the quantity that I've just added. So I'm going to go ahead and close this input form, go back to my BPF. Oops, that's on my browser. I'm going to go to my report. and I'm interested in new assets once again, just to review that the work that I've just done is coming through on the cost center. I'm going to double click to select cost center. I can use the binoculars, or I hit Control F as a keyboard shortcut, and it's a report, so I need to go and hit entity. And I hit refresh. And we can take a look at what we've done. So very happy with that. We've got the software development over 5 years, we've got computer equipment, and we've got motor vehicles. So it looks like my opening balance adjustment has been corrected. I hit close, and I go back to my BPF, and I'm exactly where I started.